What's up, guys? Here I have just a little armory thing going on, so just a little armory video, so let's get started. Top drawer, get a baggie of tools, or not tools, but like little parts for my M4, or not, take it back, for my CO2 1911. My friend broke, so we had to pay me for it. Songs. Yeah. Here's a bag of parts from M4. There's some scissors, which, yes, are pink. Those are the only scissors I could find that were super sharp in my house. I got some little scissors. Allen wrench. A screwdriver. Needle nose pliers. Knife. Another knife. Let's see. What's this? There. Another screwdriver, another screwdriver, and another screwdriver. And more Allen keys and Allen wrenches and stuff like that. Got a tiny piece of crap Leatherman that I found in my garage. And I'm gonna take that out. Here's my main Leatherman right here. A whole bunch of like knives and screwdrivers and stuff on it. So that's my main tool that I use. And then I don't know where it went, but I had an Allen set somewhere. I don't know where that went, so whatever. Next, I got some glasses. I got my V-Force mask, glasses, gas mask, which I need to change out the lenses. I shot it with my friend's little cheapy 99-cent springer that you can get off e-bike for the Holy Cow special thingamabob. Various gloves, like these baseball, football underneath those, and just some of these ones that I had from when I was younger. I got a little ammo pouch, which actually is surprising because I'll actually hold the ammo. You just pour it in there, and then will come out. I used to use these for pellets, which are smaller than BBs. And if your molly's big enough, or you can put it on your belt, it'll just go through here. I used to have a Game Boy from my neighbor. You could probably put this on Molly. There's this on each side, you know. Let me show you something. After this, I got a 2.7 and just a bandage that I usually put over my mouth and stuff like that for when I play with glasses or goggles. Alright, so with this little pouch. Wait a second. Alright, I don't know if you see these little things right here. You can fit 2 mags in there like this, but I don't. The way I put it is like, give me a second, it's kind of hard to front hand. Hold on. Put it like this, and it's because that little band fits in there, which is kind of cool. So you can use it as a mag pouch if you want to put it on like Molly or a belt or something like that. And you can actually maybe pass as a admin pouch, maybe a little big, but so yeah. Moving on with mags. 2 plastic 120 round mid caps, 1 full metal 300 round high cap, 2 380, I believe, or 280 metal Thompson high caps, 1 38 round gas Mac 11 mag, 2 16 round CO2 1911 mags for my wind gun, and 2 gas 1911 mags for my WeTech. So yeah, I ran out of my .25 grams, which sucks, so I got to order some more. So, yeah, sadly, I was in desperate need of BBs, and my friend went to the store before he came to my house to have Airsoft 4. Hold on one second. And he bought some 12 grams from Sports Authority. I don't know why he bought 12 grams, but it's not. I don't know, I'm just saying, I wouldn't buy 12 grams, but I was in desperate need, so I bought these off him. Because I needed to go airsofting, I ended up not. So yeah, but if you're watching this, I wouldn't buy 12 grams, I don't know. Anyways, here I got my propane, with the little sling on it, which is, for some reason, hooked all the way. There I go. Got my green gas, my CO2, BB containers, BBs, more BBs, 1100 milliamp 8.4 volt battery, another 1100 milliamp 8.4 volt battery, these are for my Thompson, and a 1050 milliamp 8.4 volt battery, and a 7.6 volt, sorry about that, 500 milliamp 7.2 volt battery, and that was for my first AEG, which was a piece of junk. It was a Double Eagle M80 something, like 2 or 3 or something or another in that era. Anyways, so I used these 3 for my Thompson. This I haven't even used in heck long since that thing broke. So I'm going to test it out on my M4 once I get it fixed. I got 3 9.6 volt batteries, which are large type, which is what I use for my M4. And some silicone oil for my WeTech 1911 Desert Warrior. Right there. So, alright. Moving down, I got accessories. I got a duct tape, gray, white duct tape, yellow electrical tape, black electrical tape, green duct tape. A suppressor that is for my Mac, but if you flip it around, you can put on my M4 on the flash hider, which is kind of cool, I guess. Got my 90 round speed loader, or at least it says 90 right there, but I fill it up to like there, so like 100 rounds. Yeah. With the little like pistol mag piece that can come off. I just keep it on so I don't lose it. Flashlight, which is kind of big, but it's dead right now, so yeah, it's not very bright. Carry handle, metal and plastic. M4 front sight. A broken piece of junk flashlight. There's actually a zapper thing that I got from Vegas, and I accidentally dropped it and broke it from zapping myself too much. Yeah, you can call me a dumbass, but anyways, so yeah, it's not very bright, but yeah, there was a button right here that you used for the flashlight, and the actual looking button that you would push was the zapper. Rear flip up sight for my M4, which is at ICS. So yeah. One pistol grip for my Winga 1911. Broken pet box, little canteen from the World at War, I believe Prestige Edition, or Hardened Edition, or something like that. A spare grip, motor grip for my M4. And my sniper scope that went to my KJ Works M700 gas takedown version, but I sold that, and I had a different scope with it, and I sold the different scope with the sniper, and I just kept this one. 2 little homemade guns so my friends can have Airsoft 4s inside without breaking anything. So moving on, we have my unicorn camera. I just used the old helmet. I drilled different holes for different mounts and stuff. But if I take the camera off, it just looks like a unicorn's little horn thing. Blah. Here's just a little camera since my other digital camera broke. Or other two digital cameras broke. This one's a total downgrade, but yeah, it's only 6 megabytes. My other one was 13 megabytes. Or megapixels, sorry. It's kind of beat up and stuff because it was my sister's. She never used it, so I bought it off her for her. But yeah, so I bought it for 15 bucks, so not bad, I guess. So that's just temporary until I get my GoPro, probably within 2 weeks. Moving up, I just got a beanie, got a camouflage hat from Platt, got a little leaves, and I got this with my speed loader. Okay. GR15 little thing. So I thought that was pretty cool. Moving on, I got my gas blowback Mac 11, which is kind of cool. I need to get another mag for it though, because that 38 round one goes by way too fast. Got my friend's CO2 Air Mag C11. I don't know if you can see that. But yeah, so got that. Got my Echo one, which is under construction with the little snow camo type look on it right now. I should be making a video, probably soldering some new wires and everything on it. Got my WeTech gas blowback 1911. I don't know if I can lock it back with one hand. There you go. Very nice. So yeah, like that. It's really nice. It's probably my newest gun. Got my cyber gun, full metal, or Cyma, or whatever you want to call it. Full metal Thompson. I need to repaint. Like the selector switches are kind of scratched up right now. Polish the fake wood and all that. So yeah, my friend should be buying that soon. He's buying it for $100, he said. So next, I have my broken wind gun pistol. So yeah, just keep that there for now. There's no trigger on it, as you can see, because it's in that little parts box, and there's only one grip. So I'll see if I can fix that sometime. But it's probably not gonna be anytime soon, because I have a stripped screw right there that I need to get out. And it was like stripped before I even got it, which sucked. So yeah. Moving on, we just got a digital camo backpack. And yeah, so that's basically my collection. There it is. If not counting my friend's gun, because it's not mine, I got 5 guns. And then some gear and all that. So I did have 2 little crappy springers, but my friends bought those off me. Because, yeah. But, yeah, so I'll see you guys later. Check out my other videos, like, comment, subscribe. Somewhere up there is the subscribe button, and somewhere down there is the like button. I believe it's right there. Subscribe is right there, I think. I'm not sure. Something like that. So, I'll see you guys later. Peace.